Hello everyone, today I will introduce to you a dish that I once enjoyed in Vietnam. It's really delicious, it's Vietnamese Beef Pho. 1. Ingredients. Broth ingredients. 2.5 kilograms beef bones, preferably leg and knuckle bones. 500 g beef brisket. 500 g oxtail, optional, for extra richness. 1 large onion, halved. 1 piece ginger, about 5 centimeters, halved lengthwise. 5 star anise pods. 4 whole cloves. 1 cinnamon stick, about 5 centimeters. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. 1 black cardamom pod, optional. 1 rock sugar piece, about 20 g, or 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 to 2 tablespoons fish sauce, to taste. Salt, to taste. Water, as needed. Noodle soup ingredients. 500 g dried pho noodles, or fresh pho noodles if available. 300 g thinly sliced beef sirloin, can use eye of round, ribeye, or tenderloin. Toppings and garnishes. Fresh herbs, Thai basil, cilantro, mint, and green onions, thinly sliced. Bean sprouts. Fresh lime wedges. Red chili peppers, sliced. Hoisin sauce and sriracha, for serving. 2. Instructions. 1. Prepare the broth. Blanch the bones, place the beef bones, brisket, and oxtail, if using, into a large pot. Cover with water, bring to a rapid boil, and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Drain the bones and rinse them under cool water to remove impurities. This step helps achieve a clear broth. Roast the aromatics. Char the onion and ginger halves over an open flame or in a skillet until blackened and fragrant. This adds a smoky depth to the broth. Toast the spices. In a dry pan, toast the star anise, cloves, cinnamon stick, coriander seeds, and black cardamom pod for a few minutes until they're fragrant. 2. Cook the broth. Fill a large stock pot with 5 to 6 liters of water. Add the blanched bones, brisket, and roasted aromatics to the pot. Add the toasted spices, rock sugar, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt. Bring the pot to a boil, then immediately reduce to a simmer. Skim any impurities that rise to the surface. Simmer gently for 3 to 4 hours to extract the flavors. After 1 hour, remove the brisket, cool slightly, then slice thinly and set aside for serving. After simmering for 3 to 4 hours, taste the broth. Adjust with fish sauce, salt, and more sugar if needed.
3. Prepare the noodles. If using dried noodles, soak them in warm water for about 30 minutes, then cook in boiling water for 2-3 minutes until tender, then drain. If using fresh noodles, a quick dip in boiling water will do. 4. Assemble the pho. In each bowl, place a portion of cooked pho noodles. Arrange slices of cooked brisket and raw sirloin on top. Ladle the hot broth over the meat and noodles, cooking the raw beef slightly. Adjust beef slices to cook further if preferred. Garnish with fresh herbs, bean sprouts, green onions, and a squeeze of lime. 5. Serve. Offer hoisin sauce, sriracha, and additional lime wedges on the side. Enjoy the pho piping hot and adjust toppings to taste.